So phosphorus halides, children, basically two types of phosphorus halides is what you need to study. One is phosphorus trichloride. So what we are going to do is, because we need only an elementary idea, we are going to learn only one method of preparation of phosphorus trichloride. What is phosphorus trichloride? PCl3 or PF3 or PBr3. Okay, so basically PCl3, you will know its structure and one method of preparation of PCl3. How? If you are heating white phosphorus with dry chlorine, that means chlorine vapors go. If you treat it with white phosphorus, then what you obtain is phosphorus trichloride. This is the structure of phosphorus trichloride, which is a tetrahedral structure. Because of the presence of a lone pair of electron on phosphorus, that the bond angle of tetrahedral structure is decreased from 109.5 degrees. And one reaction of phosphorus trichloride is when it reacts with acetic acid, it will give you acetyl chloride plus phosphorus acid. Only this much. Next, we move to phosphorus pentachloride. What is phosphorus pentachloride? PCl5. So when you are reacting white phosphorus with excess of dry chlorine vapors, chlorine absolutely dry vapors, I hope my screen is visible, children. Absolutely dry chlorine vapors, if you react it with phosphorus, white phosphorus is an allotropic form of phosphorus, okay? You get phosphorus pentachloride, and that phosphorus pentachloride has a structure like this. It has a trigonal bipyramidal structure. You will have to understand a little bit about the structure. Know it, children? It's important for your joint entrances also. Phosphorus pentachloride is a trigonal bipyramidal structure with the 3 chlorine atoms at the 3 corners. Look at my cursor. At the 3 corners of a regular triangle. These are called the equatorial bonds. Okay. The bonds formed between phosphorus and chlorine in the same plane are called the equatorial bonds. Now there are 2 bonds that phosphorus forms with chlorine above and below the plane of the molecule. Look at my cursor again. Above and below the plane of the molecule. These 2 bonds are called axial bonds. So with these axial and trigonal bonds, they form a trigonal bipyramidal structure. Okay. And also when phosphorus pentachloride, when it reacts with ethanol, it will give you ethyl chloride, phosphoryl trichloride and hydrochloric acid. Only these reactions will do, children, because it's written elementary idea. Now about oxo acids of phosphorus also, you require an elementary idea.